Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, I really appreciate you being here. Please do make sure to like and subscribe because it really helps out the channel. As you can see here, we are just taking a quick look at Vechain here on the daily time frame. Looking like we're up at resistance again, as we did say in yesterday's video. Essentially we have been, chopping sideways for a long time really for Vechain. In reality, you can see a lot of, kind of nonsense going on in this area here. Pretty clear that we have been, basically coming down and trying to make lower lows, but we're continuously bouncing at this key swing low level that I did highlight here. It's sitting at, around 1.5 cents in reality, with this very long wick down to grab some liquidity here. But you can see anywhere really between 1 and 2 cents. I've always said that this area here is probably going to be a big area of accumulation, and really that's all that's been happening for, I think, a lot of the long-term accumulation for Vechain has been happening in these areas. You can see pretty clearly we've come down to this level 1, 2, 3, 4 times here at around 1.5 cents and bounced every time. You can see obviously we were heading down in that descending wedge with that big deviation. We came back inside again, fell outside of it again, and then looking like we just ripped past it and come all the way up here after a few days, quite about a month here I would say, of just consolidating in a kind of flag formation. You got your 1, 2, 3 nice little formation heading to the upside, and we've come up and run up into that resistance again at 1.9 cents. This was the original breakdown area we did see after this long consolidation here, which has been basically a key level for a good long time, hasn't it, for Vechain? And really not that much happening for it in reality. It's just been accumulating and consolidating between, down here at around 1 cent, anywhere from 1 cent down here. Or really, we've just been accumulating between 1.5 and 2 cents for ages, haven't we? I do think we could come down and see 1 cent at some point if we did see a bit of a capitulation in the market. Obviously, a lot of altcoin profits rotating into Bitcoin right now, or at least a lot of just in general liquidity in altcoins going into Bitcoin. Not that much new money in the space at the minute, but overall we are just waiting essentially for Vechain still to make, a decent bit of headway up to the upside here and head back up towards this bear market resistance that we do see here, because at the minute we are still struggling to make any kind of decent move to the upside. Obviously we've broken out now of this resistance here. We did break out of this resistance here, but still really overall just chopping sideways. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens next, but I do think overall we're probably going to see a nice bit of movement for Vechain going into the next few years in the next bull market. Obviously right now just consolidating and waiting for something to happen. But overall, long term, I do still think this crypto is going to do well, in my opinion. And we're basically just going to sit and wait and see what happens next now that we've broken out of a few of these local resistances. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.